Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech in Maths. मैं निवेश कुमार दास इस वीडियो में JEE मेन 24 जैन 2023 शिफ्ट 2 डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन का प्रॉब्लम है दैट आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व हियर. सो सी हाउ वुड वी सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. This question is basically based on Leibniz theorem, right? What is the Leibniz theorem here? See, Leibniz theorem is if f is continuous function, then integration from g of x to h of x, lower limit is g of x and upper limit is h of x, f of t dt. So when we differentiate this with respect to x, so what happens? T is replaced by the upper limit, that is h of x, and then derivative of h of x is h dash x, right, minus then we put the lower limit, that which is g of x at place of in the place of t, and g dash x, right, derivative of function g of x, right. So we will apply this theorem to solve this question. So here we have the question, fx equal to what? Fx equal to fx plus integration what? 0 to x f of t, right, f of t, and in under root what we have here, 1 minus log base e, 1 minus log base e f of t the whole square dt, okay, equal to what? Dt equal to e. So differentiating both sides, so this is what? dy dx. So I write here the fx plus what? 0 to x f of t in under root what we have here, 1 minus log base e f of t the whole square right, dt, okay. And this side what we have here, we have dy dx. We'll differentiate this, so constant derivative of constant is 0. So this result will be what? This result will be your here f dash x, ये हो जाएगा f dash x, and will apply here the Leibniz rule, that is what? dy dx. I write this as 0 to x f of t, and in under root what we have here, 1 minus what we have here, 1 minus log ft the whole square, 1 minus log f of t the whole square, okay, whole square, and dx, right, dt here, dt, this side we have 0, derivative of e, okay. So this is what? F dash x, and so applying the Leibniz rule, so we'll replace the t by the upper limit, which is x here. So this is fx, and in under root what we have here, 1 minus log base e f of x the whole square, right, and then derivative of this function x is 1, right. For lower limit it will be what? 0, because derivative of 0 is 0. So for lower limit it is 0. So now what we have here is left, that is f dash x, okay, f dash x plus fx and under root what we have here, 1 minus log base e fx the whole square equal to 0. Now it's what we assume here, let fx is y, right, fx is y. For simple calculation, just I let this fx as y. So f dash x is what? Dy by dx. So therefore this becomes what? Dy by dx. I write here dy by dx, right, plus what? Plus y. In under root what we have, 1 minus log y the whole square equal to 0. Now simplify this. So this is differential equation, basically dy dx equal to what? Minus y in under root 1 minus log ey the whole square. So we'll use here the variable separable method to solve this differential equation. So dy by what? Dy by, we can write here the y under root 1 minus log y the whole square, right, log y the whole square equal to what? Minus dx. So on integrating, simple. So this is dy by y under root what? 1 minus log y the whole square, and this side we have integration dx, right, integration dx, okay, plus c. So now integration, to integrate this, what we will do here is we will put here the log y, right, we'll use the substitution method. So log y, so I just put here the log y equal to what? Something new variable, say p, right, so that we differentiate this. So this is what? 1 by y dy is what? 1 by y dy is dp. So the differential equation, the solution, integrate, now to integrate this, so we can write as dy by y, dy by y is dp. So I write here dp by what? Under root what? 1 minus p square, 1 minus p square, and this side what? Minus x plus c. So integration of this result is what? Sin inverse p, right? Sin inverse p. So I write here sin inverse p equal to even I can write c minus x, right? So p is what? P is sin c minus x, sin c minus x. And what is p? Basically p is your, p is what? P is your f dash x. P is what we have assumed here, p as log y. So I write here log y. Okay, p is log y. So this is sin c minus x. I write here sin c minus x. So what I can write y as? So e to the power sin, e to the power sin c minus x. And what is y? Basically that is y, f of x. Y is what? F of x. So I write here f of x equal to what? E to the power sin c minus x, right? Now to find the constant c here, we will apply, we'll see the question here. Check if you see the question here. So in question, if you put here the x equal to 0, right? If you put x equal to 0, so we'll integrate from this part 0 to 0, so that will be 0, right? That will be 0 and equal to what? E. So we get the initial condition basically here, f0 as e, f0 is e. So when we apply this condition to find what? C. Okay, so f0 is what? F0 is e. So f0 is basically what? E to the power, e to the power sin c minus 0, c minus 0, putting value of x as 0. So e equal to what? E to the power sin c. So comparing the power of e, so 1 equal to what? Sin c, 1 equal to sin c. When sin c is 1, so c is 1 pi by 2. So we get the value of c as pi by 2. Okay, fine. So now fx, what we can write fx as? E to the power sin, what do we have here? C minus x. So I write here pi by 2, pi by 2 minus x. What is sin pi by 2 minus x? So that is cos x. Okay, cos x. So we get here the fx as e to the power cos x, e to the power cos x. Now if you see what we need to find here, 6 log f pi by 6. So I find f pi by 6. Okay, f pi by 6. Okay, so putting here the value, so cos e to the power cos pi by 6. What is cos pi by 6? Cos pi by 6 is basically root 3 by 2, cos 30. Okay, so we find here the f pi by 6. F pi by 6 is your e to the power root 3 by 2. Okay, fine. Now we have to find here the finally 6 log, what do we have to find here? 6 log base e f pi by 6, right? This result and the whole square. Okay, this we have to find. If you see that we have to find. Okay, fine. So just putting the value here, so this is what? 6 log base e f pi by 6, that we can write e to the power root 3 by 2 the whole square. So log m to the power n basically, so this we can write 6 root 3 by 2 and log base e. Okay, that is 1 basically, log e is 1. Okay, so what I can write this, cancel this out, so this is 3 root 3, log e is 1, so the 3 root 3 the whole square. So if you square this, so 9 into 3 basically, that is 27. So the correct answer for this question is 27, right? Hope you will be clear with this solution. I will come with the new sets of question. Please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.